Want to track your friends and family for free? Well, you can use an app called Life360. It's really cool. It's free, so the free version comes with 2 days of location history, so you can see the location for the past 2 days. You can detect crashes and get an alert on your phone when the app suspects that there's been an accident. There's also family driving summary, so you can see the hard braking, the high speed, the rapid acceleration. If you want to see a specific family member, you need to buy the premium version, but the free version gives you an aggregated data set for all of your family members. There's also an SOS alert, so you can just hold your phone and get an alert to all of your family and friends. You can even see the battery charges on everyone's phone. You can get 2 place alerts for a notification when someone has arrived or left a saved place, and you can also upgrade if you want. I just really like this app, especially since I found it recently and it's free. I'm not sponsored by them, but I thought you might want to check it out just because it's so cool and easy to use, especially if you happen to have a brother who may or may not have crashed in cars. By the way, if you want to add anyone to your family, just click on your family title. So Zong family is mine, and then click on the add icon on the upper right, and this invite code will pop up, and you can have your family be invited to your group for the next 2 days using this code. Moreover, you can create a circle or join a circle. If you join a circle, then you can enter the invite code that you just got from your family member. And then you can check in if you need to. And there's lots of other functionality. You can change the map type, for example. You can send an SOS if you need help, and they will send to all of your emergency contacts. For example, everyone in my family will get the alert, and then if you upgrade, you get an emergency dispatch as well. Going in the upper left-hand corner, you can click the settings button, and you can change your notifications to turn them off if you get annoyed by them. You can go to your circle management and change your role. So I'm a son, daughter in this family, and you can change the admin status and give other people admin access. For example, admin permissions, only admins can edit circle names, delete circle members, and change admin status. You can create different circles for groups of important people in your life. And then if you click on the membership icon, you can see other things if you want to upgrade. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video if you like it. And yeah.